You feel it trying to start in a hole, but it just won't go in. It's a big burn in the damn thing or something.
We say 5/6 here.
It's not the cover, it's the cable. Did it die?
5/16 fine, you said?
Yeah. There's a big black thing in this thing. I think it's stopping it from starting. It's probably a nylon liner. So this causing a problem.
5/16.
Something right here in the beginning just won't start. I don't need a holder, I just need a die. See, there's a problem right there. You're cutting?
Hey, finally one tool we didn't have to order.
Yeah.
We got one covered.
Yeah, see, that had to cut metal all the way in. Yeah, it's the cable's all screwed up. Oh, crap, it cut off the cable.
We'll leave that out. We're not done.
Where'd this cable come from?
Harley Davidson.
Oh, well, no wonder it's a piece of crap. Should have bought it Barnett. I know it's an angle like this.
It was kind of towed out or something, right?
Yeah, it's got a heavy offset to it. It's trying to start right there. Do you hear a little pop there? That's where it started. So their cable had a big burr on it. It's oversized right from the start. So the cable was the problem. It's going to show you, don't buy better quality parts next time. Well, you keep buying this cheap crap.
We should try that company from that China company.
Yeah, it seems like good stuff. It's American made.
Price seems to be better on most of their stuff too, for some reason.
This American made stuff doesn't cut it. Don't over torque it either, you break it. Okay, lever's all the way out up there, I'm assuming. Yeah, that was definitely.
Should we put our adjustment down here?
I assume it is adjusted at some point.
That's how it came from the factory.
Good. Should be perfect. It's always nice when you get brand new stuff that doesn't fit. Doesn't matter who makes it either. So this here needs to slip into there somehow. I guess it goes on top. Pull it, turn it, see? Which one does that go into?
I think that goes right. Oh yeah, there's two, huh? Probably that one, huh?
No, we're not even close. You wouldn't be pulling that way, you would be pulling like this. They have to be pulled that way. So it goes like this. And the fat one lines up to that.
Beautiful.
So you don't want to be pulling on the slot, you want to pull against it.
Right.
Always. You know, if you went and looked online, you'd probably see a picture of how it was done, instead of figuring it out ourselves. Okay, you want the clip in the air over here like I like doing it.
Yep.
Not even in there. There it is. Piece there, and then it's all supported. This clip is not supported on the cover, but it's supporting that. Obviously, it's over here, it's not moving, so you need support on the outside. Once you put that over here, which means there's not a lot of support. This is the strongest part of the clip, so that's where you want it to be. Okay, so now, it should go back and forth pretty easy now. Okay, where's your part that goes in there? Should put some sticky crap on there too for lubricant.
Okay.
Where's your assembly lube? Normally I use a heavy grease, but you know, got what we got today. She's lubed.
Snoobed.
This isn't going to do much because it's has to slip in between the bearings. We'll call it lubed. How's that? Dinner's coming up. Tastes better a second time. Take some long screws. So going like that or the other way?
Looks good, man. Right there. It's beautiful.
I mean, I got it on the first shot. Look at that. Lucked out.
Beginner's luck.
She was round and square side. Why is there a difference?
Yeah. Look at you in those eyes.
You got room for that to go in and
You'd
out.
think, right?
You don't ever
Sure.
do it.
See that?
Look at that. They did the same thing here.
Yep. Squared.
Yep. See, the gasket was on wrong.
Shoo.
You thought it was on there wrong, right?
Shoo.
Good thing I don't listen to you. You know, it makes no difference how that goes on. If that gasket was a
Yeah,
problem,
it's gonna get trimmed.
if it was a problem, it'd be folded out of the way. Makes no difference. Obviously, the thing doesn't get anywhere near it. Okay. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Got a mouse in the room. I think I got it tight. Okay. Now we'll see if it works. Where's the push rod? Right here. Boom. Where's your grease at? I like grease.
The grease.
Put the racing shit? Oh yeah, that's the racing shit. Richard Penny special.
STP, sponsor us. We need some money.
Yeah, that's Richard Penny's.
Products.
Richard Penny's sponsored by them, not anybody else. Andy Granatelli can't afford anybody else.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's where he draws the line, huh?
We can't hold it no more. We know the part, to the clutch. Clutches. Clutches right here.
Everything has been cleaned over here.
Good job.
You guys will find out when we post some of those wonderful videos. It's great audio on those ones.
Yeah. Nice. Air clutch. Appears to be working smoothly. Okay, so that's good to go. We know that's good. Alright, so, what are these here for? Don't need them. So the decision is to leave the lever there in that spot?
Yeah. And if I have any issues, I'll go back and deal with it. But I'm guessing we should be good here.
This old shaft here is just as tight as a new shaft, as you can tell.
There's so much slop in that.
There's all the bushings. All the bushings.
We got to swap that shaft out, right? To a Zerk.
It's up to you. The Zerk one means you can lube it, so that'd be nice.
Yeah.
But there's nothing wrong with this one. The problem with the bushings are junk. Next problem is this. Where's that junk screw that we were using to test our test screw? Testing screw. What kind of Loctite did you want to use on this, sir? You remember what you wanted to use?
Probably blue. In case it needs to come apart ever. Yeah.
I think it needs to come apart for a real bolt in it. This China bolt here is not going to hold up very long. I know that lock washer will not make it past the first torque. So you got some good American made washers, or are we just going to go like that with it? And in case you think this is ever going to bottom out, the bolt goes all the way through. I already screwed it on the back side, there's no interference for going all the way through. If your lever's loose, it's not the bolt's problem. You got other issues. Mainly that the lever's stronger than the bolt is. So get a 12-point bolt, or a Torx head, one or the other, something you can torque.
Right.
Both of those are hard to get and fine thread. See, the bolt's tight, lever's still loose. Probably this one. Now the other option, the lever was here or almost straight up and down. Pretty much was straight up and down. I've never seen one straight up and down yet, so. Oh, shifter works. Do we just break the bolt right now or wait? If I keep torquing, it's just going to break. It ain't getting any tighter. The wheel's not here, so I can't shift it. Yes, I can. That's not good. Why did it stay down? That's weird. Here.
That is not good.
Taking his lube in there. It's stuck.
You guys, just because it's fairly dry in there?
I don't know. Look at that. Usually means the spring's broken. Not good. Shifter in the back. Every shift.
Should we pull the back? Let's pull the back tire up off and see what it does without any.
See the downshift, no problem. Upshift, every problem, it's not working. Spring's not working. Every one. Every time. But downshift, no problem. Tells me there's something wrong with the spring. You feel the drag in there. There's no tension.
It's not good.
There's no spring.
Whole fucking transmission has to come back out. Fix that problem.
No, well, the case doesn't, but the shroud, everything else does. That's not working. You heard it pop inside, it still didn't free up here though. Spring ain't working. Not gonna work that way. You won't like it riding, trying to ride like that. Okay, cut it, we'll be back.